steam engine number 5 of the Manitou and Pikes Peak Railway. We're going to take a look at it right here. Come around. This is a cog engine too, because we can see right underneath of it the cog system, which is right down underneath there. We'll try to get a closer picture here in a second. Hold on the side and see if you can see it. Okay. This is here. These may have been some of the vehicles used in the old days Pikes Peak hill climb. We're going to see some more here in a minute. As we walk upstairs, we're going to go by some of these here. Oh, this one says World's Champion on it here too. Oh, here he is, Pikes Peak winner. First, second, third, first time prize. 18 minutes, 15 seconds. That's pretty fast. I've driven up to Pikes Peak myself in my '73 Honda Civic back in the day, and it was not a bad drive. But we're up here looking down on the museum then, down there, and we have a number of Indian artifacts up here. But we're going to take an overall look at the museum, see apparently some of the cars that they use nowadays, perhaps to do the Pikes Peak hill climb. But here's the museum. We're going to look around here. Okay. Now this one apparently is one of the more modern cars that apparently, as far as I know, does the Pikes Peak hill climb, and maybe this one has climbed it before. I don't know for sure. Here we go. It says Pikes Peak hill climb. So apparently this one has done the climb, and pretty typical inside, very Spartan in there, and you got front here. Oh, here he is. Tells you here it is. Different information. It won some division in 1993, but 789 brake horsepower. My old Honda Civic had probably, I don't know, 100 horsepower, maybe not even that. And I made it up to the top of Pikes Peak, no problemo. So, but maybe not as fast as these guys did it. And there were other cars in front of me that I had to slow down for because they were crawling along. And no windshield wipers there. They got them taken out. Okay, come back here off of this guy here. And walk back. There it is. Here's some more of the type vehicles that did the Pikes Peak hill climb here. Somehow the picture here doesn't match the vehicle there, so I think they don't always get the exact same vehicle. As we go up here, and we see different ones. Come over here. Here's another one here with all their accessories from the old days. And well, here's one here that looks like that photograph there. This is a Conniff Special, and I think it was 1948 maybe here. That's a pretty sweet looking car. Actually looks padded seats, huge steering wheel. Looks pretty good there. So we're coming down, we're looking back down on the more modern one down there. And we come up here, some of the clothing, and a little something up there, but I'll come back to that. There's a car up there sitting so you can see underneath of it, some of it. And as you come down here, I guess there have been some motorcycle climbs too. And this one here is what looked like one that crashed. And we'll go down and look at that close up. It flipped over a number of times, and I think everybody lived, or the driver lived, I think. But let's see here. It says that. Oh, here it is. Bobby registered. He was already. I said that this guy Bobby came out of the wreck uninjured, and there he is, getting out. You can see him there. And he went off the edge, rolled down there. Not too bad, not too bad. At least there weren't any big boulders there. And he got out. And he's okay standing right there by his car. All right. So that one down there, I'm not sure of, but we'll go down and take a look at it in a minute. And there's a video here that you can see. I'm going to stop and take a look at the video here. I don't know about this car. It looks way too low to the ground to have anything to do with Pikes Peak Hill Climb to me. But I don't know. What is this here? I don't know what this guy is. This picture doesn't look like this car. So, I don't know. You got me on this one here. Devil's Playground. Yeah, hard to say. Sorry, folks. Don't know what that one is there. And here's a motorcycle here. This one looks like a pretty sweet machine. That's for sure. And a couple more hanging from the ceiling. There's another one hanging from the ceiling over there. We got another one that's up on the wall, mounted vertically here. So this one's a pretty sweet machine too. And let's see what this is. Well, apparently this did go up the hill here. I wouldn't think that it would have, but that's a picture there that looks like that car right up there. So I guess it did do it. Okay, there's an electric car. Maybe 2002. You can stop the video and read that if you want. And here we go, unusual looking contraption. And this must be the trophy, I guess. It looks like it's huge. Pikes Peak National Hill Climb. It says there on the side, a little hard to read. There's a huge trophy there. I don't know if you keep that or it's passed on from year to year, but I can't really tell. I can't see any etchings, but this one presented Spencer Rose, 1925. So I don't know if they do this every time. Oh, there's other winners down at the bottom here, I guess, that are marked on and down the bottom down here too. Okay. There's another one mounted on the wall over there. Donna Dykstra Special, it says. Okay. There's that Donna Dykstra Special is mounted on the wall, standing underneath of it now, looking up at it. So there you can see. This is the one that crashed in 2012. Apparently there was a driver and a co-driver, I guess. Well, maybe there was just one person in there, I guess. Not sure. But the guy survived. You can see he's waving the flag. And here's the actual vehicle here. It's inside of it. You can see here it's pretty well beat up. Although the roll cage did help them in there. They made part survivable on the inside portion there. And they got the sidebars on here too. And that's apparently what saved them then, I guess. There's a video down there where the guy is telling me about it. And I believe the Evo sounds like it's an electric car rather than gasoline powered. But it's a 2003 Evo. Well, it says Well, I guess it's not a electric car because it's got 2.3 liter.
And then, somehow,
So,
against
guess
all
not.
odds, the most inexplicable thing happens. Jeremy Foley and Yuri Kuznetsov climb out of the smoldering wreckage and walk away from a crash that just seconds prior appeared.
Apparently there were 2 people in there because the video says we're talking about 2 people. Okay, you can look it up on the internet to find out more information. Fish here in the water too. I don't know if you can see them down here. I think I'm going to feed them, but they're all swimming around here. They're quite large fish too. Got the lily ponds here and this little lake. And here's all the fish swimming down here. Look at them all here. There they are. All swimming by here. There's some big boys coming up here on the side. There they are. There's another guy coming in here. There he is. And we found out I don't have any food, so they're looking at me, got their mouths open. They're looking for some stuff to eat here. But look at them all. They're all swarming around here. So many of them. But it's not feeding time, guys, so I don't have any food. Sorry. But beautiful pond out here that they can swim in. Here comes another guy, a latecomer, coming up from behind. He's coming up to join the group. A couple more guys coming from underneath here to investigate. There's a speckled guy there. We got a whole swarm of them coming in here now. Lots and lots of them coming around here, jumping over each other like pups in a box. But right here, we're looking into the sun here, so it's going to be a little bit hard to see. And there's the Broadmoor Hotel up there. And this is where we had lunch today. So, okay, we'll swing back down here and swing back here around the pond. And very nice grounds here. And we'll say goodbye to the fish here in the fish pond here. We're all saying goodbye.